fireworks in
July.
says. Here we go.
Did you hear that sound? Let's listen to it again. So, what could it be?
I think I know. A big plane.
A big plane. That's right, Bonnie.
Did not.